Hi there, Cheryl Davey with the Hill and Harbour Real Estate Group. Today, we're going to take you on a tour of this one-bedroom listing. It's in my absolute favorite neighborhood of Fairview. The reason why I love this area is that this particular condo is situated on a quiet tree-lined street. You're a couple minutes from South Granville, or you can head west to 4th. You can walk to all the beaches of Vancouver. This building is impeccably maintained, and you're going to love the in and out access of this ground floor unit. Let's take a tour.